Hello students, today we will study the third chapter of the supplementary reader A Pact with the Sun. The third chapter is The Shepherd's Treasure. Now once there was a poor shepherd who lived in a village in Iran. He was illiterate but he was very wise. People came to him for advice. He understood their troubles and helped them. The king also heard of this man's wisdom. Now the king disguised himself as a shepherd and went to see him. The shepherd welcomed the king. He gave him water to drink. And the shepherd shared his simple food with the king. Now the king stayed with him for the night. He had a talk with the shepherd. He was impressed with the shepherd's hospitality and wisdom. Next morning, the king took leave of him. The king was surprised when the shepherd addressed him, "Your Majesty." Now, why was the king surprised? Because he had disguised himself. किंग ने तो अपना भेष बदला हुआ था. वो कहीं से भी राजा वाले कपड़े नहीं पहना था, वैसा दिख भी नहीं रहा था. मगर उसको बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ जब इस शेपर्ड ने उसको योर मैजेस्टी कहा. योर मैजेस्टी सिर्फ एक किंग को कहा जाता है. तो ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड कि जब मैं राजा जैसा दिख नहीं रहा हूँ, इसको पता नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ, तो ये मुझे योर मैजेस्टी क्यों कह रहा है. The king appointed him the governor of a small district. Even then he lived humbly and won people's love. The shepherd was kind, he was just, he was fair and wise. Now the governors of other provinces grew jealous of him, and they called the shepherd dishonest. They reported that he secretly collected money and kept it in his iron chest, which he always carried with him. Iron chest is लोहे का बक्सा. Now one day the king summoned him to his palace. He called him to his palace. The shepherd came riding on the camel. Even then also he was carrying the iron chest along with him. The king became angry and asked him why he carried the iron chest. The shepherd made his servant open the chest. There was only a blanket in the chest. The shepherd said that it was his only treasure and oldest friend. Now the king said to him, "You are a governor. Why do you carry this old shepherd's blanket with you now? अब तो तुम्हारे पास इतना पैसा है, अब ये पुराना सा कंबल, पुरानी सी ब्लैंकेट क्यों कैरी करते हो?" The shepherd replied humbly, "Your Majesty, this blanket will protect me if you ever wish to take away these royal robes." So the shepherd says, कभी आपने मुझे काम से निकाल दिया तो ये ब्लैंकेट मुझे ओढ़ने के काम आएगी जब मेरे ये अच्छे कपड़े ले लिए जाएंगे. Now the king was very pleased with the shepherd's honesty and wisdom. So he appointed him as the governor of a bigger district. This is all about the chapter. यह है आपकी छोटी सी स्टोरी इस चैप्टर के बारे में. That is the shepherd's treasure. Now there are 7 questions that follow the chapter. In the first question you just have to find the right answer. You have to tick the right answer. But when you will do the first answer in your copy में आप सिर्फ फर्स्ट आंसर की लाइन लिखेंगे, द शेपर्ड हैड बीन टू स्कूल बिकॉज. जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है आप सिर्फ वो लिखेंगे. नंबर 2, देयर वर वेरी फ्यू स्कूल्स इन दोज डेज. ओके, आप तीनों को लिख के टिक नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ राइट आंसर लिख देंगे. एंड देन देयर आर question number 2 to 7. All these answers I have given to you. This is answer 2 to 4 and then from 5 to 7. All these answers have to be written in the copy which you have made for the supplementary reader. That's all.